everyone, welcome to Menon's Delicacies. This is Lata here, hope you are fine and safe. So today I'm going to make tandoori paneer tikka, which I'm making on skewers. You all can skip that, you all can make it directly on the grill pan or on the tawa, but use the same marination. So let's start the process, and also please keep watching for my Diwali recipes from next week onwards. Okay, thank you. So let's start the process of paneer. Now the first ingredient, the most important ingredient for this is hung curd. This is garam masala. I have taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala, some coriander leaves chopped, some fresh cream, and this is roasted besan powder. I have taken almost 3 tablespoons of roasted besan powder. This is mustard oil, 2 tablespoons, 1 lemon, I'll be taking the juice of this, some ajwain, it is around half teaspoon of ajwain, 1 tablespoon of small chilies chopped finely. This is nutmeg powder, half teaspoon of kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of saunf powder, fennel seeds powder. And now let's come to the main ingredients. I have cut paneer into cubes, or you can say square pieces. This is very important. The cutting is very important in the vegetables because then it looks nice. So I have cut it into square pieces. All the bell peppers, colors of bell peppers into square pieces, and some onions. So let's start the marination process now. Now the first stage for the marination is I'm going to make a base, and I'll be showing you in 2 marinations, that is one is red color and one is green color. So let's start making the base. In this hung curd, I'm going to add salt, around 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now let's add all the powders. This is garam masala. This is ajwain. We have to just crush the ajwain. Kasuri methi. Nicely crush. I'll not be adding chili powder at this time because then the green color, I can't add chili powder there. Now this is fennel seeds powder, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, roasted besan. I'm taking 2 tablespoons. Half pinch of nutmeg powder, green chilies, mustard oil. I've taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now you can use any oil if you don't like the smell of mustard oil, but mustard oil tastes good in this, and fresh cream. Now let's give a nice mix. So now our base is ready. I'm going to add lemon to it. I'll add half a lemon now. Because already our curd must be a bit of sour, so half a lemon is okay. Now I'll be taking half of this mix to another bowl, and I'll be showing you in 2 marinations. Now our mix is ready. So now I'm going to add to 1 mix. This is red food color. And our chili powder. And to this mix, I'm going to add green color. This is edible food color. Let us give a mix. So now first I'm going to show you the marination in green masala. I have soaked the skewers in warm water for 30 minutes. So let's start. Some bell peppers, all the colors, onions, mix it well. Now let's start putting it into the skewers. So our skewers for the green masala is ready. Now I'll be mixing with the red masala, all the veggies. Now I'm going to put the vegetables on the skewers. Paneer. Now this looks so beautiful after the grilling, both the colors. I will be keeping this for marination for almost 2 hours. You can take it out in 1 hour and do it, but preferably 2 hours, because then the masala will be mixed with the veggies very nicely. Now I'm not using any oven for the grilling. I've got a grill. Even if you have a grilling pan, that will work for grilling this. One skewer is ready. So our skewers are ready in the green and red masala. Now I'll be marinating this for 2 hours and then I'll show you how to grill this. So our tandoori paneer tikka is marinated nicely. Now I'm going to spray cooking spray on all the skewers and then grill it. But if you don't have cooking spray, you can always brush it with oil. So first I'll show you brushing it with oil. Just slightly you have to brush it, as we will be brushing with oil on the grill also. Yeah, like this. Now this spray will be Now this is a grill pan which I have at home. If you have this at home, you can do it in this. Or if you have a grill like this, I'm using a grill, you can do it on this also. So both ways, either on this or on this. Both ways you have to just brush the oil first. Just brush, don't pour the oil, because we are looking for a healthy way of grilling the veggies. So just brush the oil and then we start putting the skewers. So I'll show you how to brush the oil now. As we saw that I have brushed some oil or this sprayed some oil on the veggies. Now I'll be brushing the oil on this. That's it. Now we start keeping one by one the skewers. We go with the red masala first. We won't crowd it, we'll just keep it 4 of them, okay? Now I have kept this, you can see that I'll be flipping them in 2 minutes just to see whether it is cooked. Now as you can see, our skewers, that is paneer tikka, is nicely done. I'm going to take it out and keep it here, this side, and I'll be keeping the green skewers on the tandoor. So our tandoor paneer tikka on skewers are ready. Now I've used the spice level according to my preference. You can use the spice level according to your preference. Also, you can use any kind of veggies on the skewers. And marination is very important. The cooking is not the important part. The marination is the most important part. The masalas has to be well marinated with the veggies. So if you all have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe with your family and friends. Thank you.